every time I've tried to learn French, it's gone the same way. The first couple lessons go great, I start picking things up fast, but then the next lesson comes around and I'm like, what were those words again? And it's not that the material's too hard, it's that none of it sticks. I recognize the words, but when I try to speak, my brain just goes blank. And I'm sure I'm not the only one who feels this way. So after testing out Pimsleur, I wanted to share how it actually worked for me, where it helped, where it didn't, and what kind of person it might be right for. Because if you've hit that wall with other tools, this one's a bit different. Okay, so Pimsleur's been around for over 50 years. It was started by a linguist named Dr. Paul Pimsleur, and it's based on this method that helps you actually remember what you learn by hearing it, saying it out loud, and building real recall over time. It's not just vocabulary drills or flashcards. The focus is on getting you to speak naturally from the very beginning. And even though it started as an old school audio course, they've kept updating it. So now it's a fully digital program with courses in over 50 languages, plus 14 versions of English for people learning it as a second language, depending on their native language. Now, in terms of how it works, the first time I tried it, I just popped in my AirPods on the way to work, hit play, and that was it. After that, I started using it while doing the dishes, cleaning my apartment, going on walks, whatever I was doing. I could still follow along. Each lesson's about 30 minutes or so it's not too long, and you're speaking out loud the whole time. For example, they say something in French, you repeat it, and a few minutes later they bring it back again to see if it stuck. And sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but that's kind of the point. It keeps testing you without warning. It definitely made me pay attention more than I expected, but I didn't feel like I was cramming or memorizing. I was just talking, and that helped way more than I thought it would. Once you're in the app, there's a bunch of extra stuff to practice with. You've got flashcards, short quizzes, conversation transcripts, pronunciation feedback, bonus vocabulary packs, all that. But the ones I actually used the most were the voice coach, the reading tool, and those quick quizzes. The voice coach listens while you talk and tells you if you're saying it right. It's not always perfect. It would sometimes say I got something wrong when it sounded fine to me, but it did make me slow down and actually listen to how I was pronouncing things. And that helped more than I expected. The reading tool shows you short sentences in French alongside the audio, so you can hear and see them at the same time. That's what I used when I wanted to go over something again without redoing the whole lesson. And the quizzes were a good way to mix it up. They're quick, like 1-minute tests, but they were just enough to keep stuff in my head when I didn't have time for a full lesson. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does Pimsleur cost? So they have a few ways to sign up depending on what you need. If you're focused on just one language, the lifetime plan is $150. That gets you all 30 lessons, plus every premium feature, like the pronunciation tools, quizzes, offline access, and all that. You pay once and you're set. But if you want more flexibility, they also have an all-access subscription. That one gives you full access to every course they offer, 51 languages in total, and it updates automatically when they add new ones. It starts at around $21 a month, and it gets cheaper if you go with a longer plan. They do let you try one full lesson for free, but that's about it. You'll need to pay to get anything else. Also, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, but it only works if you buy directly through their website, not through the app stores. And hey, if you're thinking about giving it a try, there's a link in the description with a discount that you won't see if you go straight to their website. Alright, so what helped me the most was that it didn't feel like memorizing. I was actually using the language. Since the lessons are built around conversations, the stuff you're learning always shows up again later on, but in a different way. So instead of just repeating the same word 5 times, you hear it in a full sentence, then again in a question, then as a response. That's what made it stick for me. I didn't need to think as hard about grammar or sentence structure. I just started getting the rhythm of how things were said. And the daily repetition didn't feel annoying or robotic to me. It just felt like practice. I also really liked that I didn't need to be staring at a screen the entire time. Being able to learn while driving or walking made it way easier to stay consistent. And honestly, that's probably the biggest reason I kept going with it longer than other apps. But even though the method worked for me, there are some things to keep in mind. First off, because everything's built around audio, there's not a ton of reading or writing practice. That wasn't a big deal for me. I mainly wanted to get better at speaking and understanding, but if you're someone who likes seeing the grammar laid out or learning visually, you might feel like something's missing. The other thing is the repetition. You'll hear the same phrases a lot. That's the spaced repetition at work. It does help you remember, but early on it can feel a bit slow. And it works. I remembered way more than I expected. But like I said, it could definitely feel a bit slow. Some lessons start to sound familiar if you're moving quickly. But weirdly enough, that's also what made everything stick. I started using the same phrases in real-life conversations without even thinking about it. At the end of the day, Pimsleur is probably best if your main goal is just being able to speak and understand naturally. If you're looking for something hands-free that fits into your day without having to stare at a screen or do a bunch of grammar drills, it's a pretty solid fit. It's especially good if you've struggled with other apps that felt too fast or too scattered. This one takes its time, but that's what made it work better for me. But if you're more of a visual learner or you need to see everything broken down to really get it, you might find it a little too light on structure. Anyway, hopefully this gave you a better idea of how Pimsleur actually works and whether it fits the way you like to learn. And again, if you're thinking about giving it a try, there's a link in the description with a discount that usually gets you a better deal than you'll find directly on their main website. So feel free to check that out. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.